It is only from the air that you get the scale of this vast event happening on the edge of Shanghai, China's commercial hub. The expo is part of an effort to rebrand the country's global trading image. It was planned long before the United States began imposing tariffs on Chinese imports. Many heads of state and prime ministers are here, but none from the world's leading economies. At the opening ceremony, President Xi Jinping once more presented himself as the guardian of free trade, or at least his version of it.
China is committed to further opening up and promoting free trade. China will remain a strong advocate of global openness and will be the main driver of global economic growth.
He didn't refer to China's trade dispute with the United States, but warned against a winner-takes-all mentality. The president also failed to mention some of the complaints that foreign executives have about doing business in this country. They complain that the Chinese leadership's public commitment to free trade often aren't borne out by its actions. US companies are represented here, even if their government isn't. Proudly flying the flag, a Salt Lake City health products company that arrived in China 18 months ago, but is still waiting for regulatory approval.
The time and length and cost and uncertainty of approving and getting a blue hat has made it so difficult for all external companies to come in.
Foreign firms often have to enter into a joint venture as a condition for doing business here. But that didn't bother this Italian furniture designer, who actively sought such an arrangement.
Yes, of course, because we would like help from Chinese company. You know, to be a Chinese is we know a lot of things we cannot develop well.
Shanghai's dazzling nighttime skyline is often touted as a symbol of China's openness. But some economists warn that if its leaders fail to deliver on the promises made at this expo, those flashing lights could one day become warning signals. Adrian Brown, Al Jazeera, Shanghai.